Alright guys, so before we kick off this video, Ben is actually on his way to my house right now. So what other way to welcome him with a good little jump scare? Alright, so now that we got our trap set up, we patiently wait and we're gonna get him good.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, he's here. Game on. Shh.
God, Jesus fucking Christ. Did you film that? No.
Welcome to the vlog, baby. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. Thank you so much for tuning back in for Wednesday's video. This one is gonna be kind of off topic. I haven't really been speaking too much about the car and what's going on. I did leave some hints in last week's videos, as I did mention. I'm not gonna go out and tell you what the hint is. If you haven't found it, go rewatch those 3 videos. Actually pay attention and you might catch it. We got Blucifer here. We also got some cat paws. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's finally nice out. It's not raining, so I'm gonna take advantage of that today, and I figured I'd bust the camera out, make a little video for you guys. And yeah, we got a lot to talk about today. We'll go more into that in just a minute. Kind of waiting on Ben, because he likes to come over to my house and take a shit right away. Yeah, I don't feel bad about scaring him one bit. Ben just upgraded the whip to that AMG.
Stop saying that. You've been making that joke for years now, dude.
Damn, someone's cranky.
Are you good? Yeah, because you just...
You cranky?
Yeah, a little bit.
Why are you cranky?
You scared me, that's why.
Aww. Before we jump into the car and do this video, I have this box over here that is pretty cool. Actually, it's a cool box.
Unlike uncool boxes?
Yeah, unlike uncool boxes, but this box is special, okay? Because this is gonna be like one of the first detailing brand deals, detailing partnerships I've ever gotten. I guess you could say I never really pursued detailing products, but I'm super stoked about this one. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna show you yet. But yes, we do have to take care of those freaking cat prints on my paint. I don't know what the f that's about.
Probably cats.
It comes to me, bruh.
Oh my god. Yeah, Ramina's gonna love that joke, huh?
Ramina comes to me, bruh. Just picking the bugs. Alright, let's do this. Did you see the last video?
Yeah.
No, you didn't lie. Okay. This is the one I've always wanted. Haven't I told you this before?
Yes,
like tons
every
of
single
times,
time,
dude.
yeah.
It's like when I was looking online, dude, and I saw it, it was just like, it was perfect, man. But it's not perfect because there's only one f***ing garage and only 2 bedrooms. I showed them in the vlog on Monday, but yeah, unfortunately, it's not gonna happen. Think we'll spin?
Probably. It's not warm enough. Yeah, it's fun.
Holy fuck. There's a Mustang right there. GTCS. I'll give him a little bit. Hello. Alright guys, so really quick, I just want to go ahead and give a huge shout out to 303 Detailing Products, and that's what's in this box. We recently partnered up thanks to Nick B1LE, and again, if you guys haven't subscribed to his channel, go subscribe. Up and coming YouTuber with a badass Camaro 1LE. But yeah, let's crack this open. I'm gonna show you some products they have, and I'm super excited about this again because I never really had a cool like detailing hookup, but these guys really hooked it up. And the cool thing about this is 303 is actually hosting their own giveaway with Nick B1LE, and you get like $300 gift card, a bunch of detailing products. So, but today we are gonna be using their touchless wash or quick detailer. But I wanna go ahead and show you everything they gave me and some interior cleaner. Pretty stoked on it, guys. If you wanna go ahead and enter this giveaway with 303, do me a favor, follow them on Instagram, and go follow Nick B on Instagram as well. It's right there on the screen. He has all the details to this giveaway. Clean this pussy up. Dude, that smells good. I would so drink this right. I shouldn't have got it on the glass, but oh well. Not this bullshit again.
You literally had to punch it.
As you can see, it actually worked pretty well. So shout out to 303. I appreciate you guys hooking me up. Can't wait to do more business with you. So go check them out, guys, and go enter that giveaway. I bet so I have a deal to make with you. Or more than likely, it's like a bet.
Oh, bet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First try, tray flip, you have to buy me the coffee. I think that's fair. What do you guys think?
I don't know.
That's fair.
I don't know how
right.
good you are at skateboarding.
Here we go.
Fine, I'll do it.
Really? Okay,
Sure.
first try? Okay, I'm going right there. Bolts! That's it.
All right.
That's the deal, brother. Woo! We ain't going broke today, baby! So with Blucifer here, you guys know I've been through, I think, 3 sets of wheels now. I had the Nishis on there when I first picked the car up. I didn't really, you know, I wasn't really feeling those because of the color, and, you know, they were 20 inches. I wasn't really into those. And then you guys know I ended up selling those, and I bought the Verde Axis in 20s because I was going bagged. So we had the Verde Axis on here with the bags. It looked incredible. I personally loved it, but once I removed the bags, couldn't really rock those wheels anymore because I was used to seeing it slammed on them. So that's exactly why I went ahead and picked up these 4Stars F14s in gloss black and staggered. They do have a staggered concave. You know, with everything that's about to happen to this car very shortly, I don't think these are going to be the right wheels to have. So for those of you that are in the surrounding areas of Richmond, and if you're looking for a really nice wheel and tire setup, and they are wrapped in some Michelin Super Sports, any of you guys watching this video right now are able to get to my area and buy these, hop in a vlog, whatever, that would be so cool because it's time for me to move on because I got some big things coming and I'm gonna need some meat on these things. So you guys might be asking yourself, how much do I want for this setup? And for the 4Stars, you know they could get really expensive, especially with having a staggered setup. These are gonna be a deeper concave and a 10-inch wheel. I'm looking to get $1,500 for the full set. Has the Michelins, like I said. It does have working TPMS sensors I'll leave in there. Yeah, I'm looking to sell them. We got some big things coming, right, Ben?
Yep.
Blucifer is gonna need some more meat soon, so. Shut up. So with that being said, I do have a little treat for you. My boy 4.6 Chris went ham on Photoshop for me and, you know, kind of photoshopped some set of wheels onto the car using some other people's photos. Holy shit, look at that mountain. Holy fuck. Yo, 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 yo. Kind of off topic, but kind of on topic at the same time. Ben and I just got a coffee, just chilling right now. We were talking about looking for a house, as we mentioned, and we pulled this one up, 3 bed, 2 baths, and the next picture was kind of the selling point to where we can go look at it. And it does have a 2-door garage. So we're currently trying to get in contact with these people, and we're gonna go see if we can look at it today on vlog with you guys. So we actually didn't get a hold of anybody. We're just gonna show up at the house. It was listed yesterday, and that has been like our worst luck, is just seeing the house like a day or 2 after it's been posted, and people are jumping on them quick. So we're gonna be those people and just show up. So we're pulling up, and it's actually right here, Ben. Oh, someone's here, someone's here. Yo, show them the house. Yo, so someone's actually here. All right, I mean, we're just gonna send it. We're gonna go knock on the door.
There's
I don't really care.
There's a garage.
Oh, dude, that's kind of tight though. Nice 2-door. that's like perfect for Jordan and I. Worst case scenario we can do is knock and just run it. So we've been looking for a house for a while, and I see this is for rent. And you know, I'm super interested in checking it out. We've been trying to find one with a 2-door garage and stuff too. So I was gonna leave you this because I came up in knots earlier, but is this a bad time?
It's got bathroom, closet, washer, dryer.
We did check out the house a little bit. I don't know. I think 1,600 is a little too much for what that is. Yeah. You know, the garage was kind of nice. It was pretty big, pretty spacious, but it's kind of one of those garages where it's spacious on the inside, but the door is almost a little too short for 2 cars to perfectly pull in straight and leave straight. So you'd have to kind of like diagonal it a little bit. I don't know. I just can't really like get to that price point for it. I don't. You know, are you at that point? Like, it's tough, man.
I think a couple different things go into the price. Like the location's pretty good.
The location is good. It does have a nice little chunk of backyard, nice deck. The garage is like separated, which I love. Like I love the detached garage because it's away from the house. If we're working on cars with tools and all that stuff, you know, it's away from the house. We're gonna leave the option open. We can't really sit on it too long because, you know, someone is definitely gonna snag it at some point. Oh, you know, we'll get on the phone with Jordan. I'll call them again tomorrow. Maybe we can set up another showing between us 3 and see exactly where we're at. But I think for the price, we can get something way more modern. And, you know, just, I don't know, it's kind of steep. It's a little steep. But. All right, everyone, so we just got back to the house. I think that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please drop your boy a like. So don't forget, guys, I am looking for another wheel setup, preferably a drag setup, but if you have something else, let me know. And if you want to buy my 4-star setup, it is $1,500. Other than that, looking for a house. Going to bring you guys some more videos with that. Anyway, guys, again, that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. Make sure you tune in Friday, 8 p.m. for a fun one. Yeah, it should definitely be fun, so make sure you're there. But until next time, check you guys later.